Did you know that leather has been used for over 7,000 years? It dates back to ancient Egypt. This material has been around for a long time and has changed a lot over the years. Welcome. Today, we'll learn how leather is made and see some amazing leather products. Let's get started. Before we start, we need to talk about some problems with making leather. Making leather can hurt the environment and raise questions about animal treatment. The leather industry can cause deforestation because it needs a lot of cattle. The process also creates pollution, and we can't forget about the animals themselves. However, there are new ways to make leather that are better for the planet and kinder to animals. Let's take a closer look at how leather is made. Leather starts with animal hides, mostly from cows. First, the hides are cleaned to remove dirt, blood, and hair. Next, the hides are soaked, limed, and fleshed. Liming helps remove hair and gets the hide ready for tanning. Tanning is the key step that turns raw hides into strong leather. There are different ways to tan hides, like vegetable tanning and chrome tanning. Vegetable tanning uses natural tannins from plants. It's an eco-friendly method, but it takes longer. It gives the leather a rich, warm color. Chrome tanning is faster and makes softer leather, but it uses chemicals that can be harmful if not handled properly. After tanning, the leather is dried, conditioned, and finished. These steps make the leather smooth, strong, and ready for use. Now, let's see how skilled artisans turn leather into beautiful products. They cut, stitch, and shape the leather with great care. Now let's look at some amazing leather products. Leather can be made into many things, from bags to shoes to furniture. Here are some designer bags. Look at the detail and craftsmanship. Leather bags are not only stylish, but also durable. These leather shoes are both comfortable and fashionable. Leather shoes can last for years if you take good care of them. And here is some elegant leather furniture. Leather chairs and sofas add a touch of luxury to any home. When buying leather products, look for brands that use sustainable practices. Check for certifications that show the leather was made responsibly. Let's look at some eco-friendly leather products. These items are made with care for the environment. These bags are made from vegetable tanned leather. They are beautiful and good for the planet. These shoes and accessories are made with sustainable practices. You can enjoy quality products without harming the environment. Leather is a wonderful material with a long history. By supporting sustainable practices, we can enjoy leather products while protecting our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of leather. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process and discovering some incredible leather products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.